Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Revealing Concepts. In today's video, we are going to learn about two other topics that are related to vector space. The first one is what is a finite dimensional vector space, and then what is what is exactly the dimension of a vector space. किस particular number को हम लोग dimension कहते हैं या 4 या 3, why is that a dimension of a vector space, and after that we are going to solve a problem based on the concept of dimension of a vector space. These two are pretty easy topics. Again, you might find this repetitive because the problems that we are solving since the first class and even today has got not much of difference. They are a bit confusing, but you just have to stick to the main concept that is given in the question and write your answer accordingly. कि अगर linear span दिया है तो जितना linear span के लिए needed है उतना you are going to show. You are not going to worry about the linear independency or dependency in case of linear span. लेकिन अभी basis दिया है, then you have to take care of both the conditions, linear independency, dependency, and फिर linear span भी. So this is how you are going to understand the concepts and you are going to use them in solving the problems. So अभी यहाँ पे finite dimensional vector space होता क्या है? The vector space V over the field F is said to be a finite dimensional vector space or finitely generated अगर कोई subset है S of this vector space such that V equals to L of S. Now here if you see, I missed a very important word which is there. They are saying that there exists a finite subset. So if at all you have been given S is equals to let's say A, B and C, it's ending, right? तो ये finite है. लेकिन अगर ऐसा कुछ दिया A1, A2 and so on with no last element given to you, okay, then this is an infinite set, right? And since this is an infinite set, therefore this by the very virtue of the fact, by the very known fact that in ये set ही infinite है, हमारा वेक्टर स्पेस के बेसिकली जो है वो एक फाइनाइट डायमेंशनल वेक्टर स्पेस नहीं होगा. ओके, सो इफ हियर इट सेज कि हमारा जो वेक्टर स्पेस है इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फाइनाइट डायमेंशनल वेक्टर स्पेस इफ इट इज फाइनाइटली जनरेटेड, मीन्स देयर एग्जिस्ट अ सबसेट विच इज अ फाइनाइट सबसेट, लेट्स से S of V, such that that particular subset generates the entire set V. मतलब we can say कि V can be written in terms of linear span of S where S has got finite elements. अगर ऐसा है then only we can say कि अपना जो vector space है that is finite dimensional vector space. अगर हमें ऐसा subset मिलता ही नहीं है which is finite and which spans the given vector space, then the vector space is not a finitely dimensional vector space. See, here they say if no such subset exists, then V is not finite dimensional vector space. एक भी मिला that's enough. But अगर एक भी नहीं मिला then we cannot say कि अपना जो set है वो finitely dimensional vector space है. Right? Now the next corresponding definition is dimension of a vector space. क्या है dimension of a vector space? Now here first of all they say कि the vector space should be finitely dimensional. मतलब ऐसा कोई एक finite subset exist करना चाहिए जो उसको span करता है, and the number of elements in the basis of that finite dimensional vector space are nothing but the dimension of that particular vector space. Let's say कि अगर कोई set S है randomly and it has got A, B, C and D and we are saying कि ये set जो है it is the basis of let's say a finite dimensional vector space V, then we can say कि dimension of V is nothing but 4 where 4 is the number of elements that are there in this set. तो अगर हमें दिया गया है कि V एक finitely dimensional vector space है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि there exists a finite set S which is a subset of V such that that particular set S is going to span V, right? एंड अगर एक कोई वही सेट S अगर इसका बेसिस फॉर्म होता है, मीनिंग इफ दैट सेट S is linearly independent, then our work is done. We just have to count the number of elements that are there in the set S and that forms the dimension of the given vector space. Now the question over here says that V is a vector space of all 2 cross 2 matrices over the field F, you have to prove that V has dimension 4 by exhibiting forming a basis for V which has 4 elements. यहाँ पे basis भी हमें form करना है और show करना है कि जो general set है which is the set of 2x2 matrices वो basically has dimension 4. Okay, how we are going to show? So let us first write down the vector space V. It consists of all the vectors of the form A, B, C, D. ये 2x2 matrices है जहाँ पे हमारे सारे जो entries है they belong to the field F. Now you have to show that the dimensions of this particular vector space is nothing but 4. तो उसके लिए एक सबसेट एग्जिस्ट करना चाहिए जो फाइनाइट है और वो उसका बेसिस भी फॉर्म करता है. सो what you're going to do is you're going to say let alpha 1 equals to 1 0 0 0, alpha 2 is 0 1 0 0. ये हम स्टैंडर्ड बेसिस ले सकते हैं. Then 0 0 1 0 and alpha 4 is 0 0 0 1. Now you are going to consider your S to be the set comprising of these 4 vectors and you are going to show S is the basis. So first you are going to show S is linearly independent. So you are going to take elements or coefficients from the field and you are going to write them in the linear combination which we normally do to show any particular set is linearly independent. And you are going to equate this with the zero element of the vector space which in this case would be the zero matrix. When you try to solve this, do component wise addition, you get A, B, C and D equals to the 2 cross 2 zero matrix. यहाँ से directly we can say कि your A equals B equals C equals D, all of them are simultaneously equal to 0 and that is why your set S is linearly independent. Abhi, the next point is to show कि your linear span of the set S is equal to your V, that is V is spanned by L of S. So यहाँ पे now you have to show कि V equals to L of S is equal to V. Clearly we know कि V जो है it's the set of all the 2 cross 2 matrices vector space. तो L of S is a subset of V. ठीक है. Now next you have to show V is a subset of L of S. You take a vector, let's say the vector is A, B, C, D. ठीक है. Now can you write this vector as A into 1 0 0 0 plus B into 0 1 0 0 plus C into 0 0 1 0 plus D which is 0 0 0 1. Now we all know कि ये जो है ये क्या है, अल्फा आईज है, मीनिंग दिस इज अल्फा 1, दिस इज अल्फा 2, दिस इज अल्फा 3 and this is alpha 4, right? So I have expressed this particular vector from the vector space of all the 2 cross 2 matrices in terms of the linear combination of the elements of the set S. So can I say कि ये जो particular element है, this element belongs to the linear span of S, which implies that your V is a subset of linear span of S, which implies कि your linear span of S is equal to V. तो हमने प्रूव किया कि S linearly independent है and linear span of S is equal to V. From these two conditions we can say कि your set S is the basis of the given vector space. Now since it has got 4 elements, that is why dimension of V equals to 4. So this is how your solution would look like. Of course you cannot do this kind of work in your exam. It has to be clear and clean while you write it in your paper. So this is how you are going to make use of the concept that has been taught in today's class, in today's video, which is the concept of dimension of a vector space. इसके लिए भी previous videos का use, previous videos का knowledge necessary है. So please do visit my channel, do visit the playlist of linear algebra. उसके अंदर vector space करके topic है, under which there are small videos. You can watch them and get conceptual understanding of all the topics. So I hope you have all understood what has been taught in today's video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.